Award Plastics and Displays are stockists of a wide range of plastic angle manufactured in the UK. The range includes a variety of sizes and colours, all of which are detailed on our website awardplastics.co.nz. In addition to our physical stock, we have access to many more angle sizes, styles and colours, which are as follows. Equal angle is the most common design, with legs of equal length and a square right angle corner. This is often used as corner protection, like so, on walls, fittings and lintels, but is also suitable for many other applications. Our current size range goes from 100mm down to 6mm, with many sizes in between, and we stock up to 8 different colours for each size. All of our angles are made from rigid PVC in a solid colour, including clear, so will not show a different colour if bumped or scraped. We supply heavy duty angles in 46, 25 and 12mm sizes. These have a square internal corner for accurate fitting and rounded external corners, making them ideal for protection against wheelchairs, cages and trolleys in locations like car parks, lift lobbies and doorways. We also stock radiused external angles, which are designed to protect and cover the inside of corners. For unequal angle, we stock 70 by 30mm down to 25 by 12mm, with others in between, plus plenty more sizes for production runs. Our websites carry completely up-to-date angle details, reflecting any recent changes, plus information about other extruded profiles from our comprehensive range. All angles can be made to order in your choice of colour and lengths, typically in production runs of 500m plus, which is more cost effective than multiple stock packs. We can also produce quite specialised designs, such as corner protection angle with internal serrations, and if we don't have the exact size or style of angle you need, we can cut a new tool to your specific design. Plastic angle is easy to cut, drill and fix and will bond to most surfaces. If you want to use double-sided tape, we supply different sizes of foam, polyester and high mass tape, which can be applied to production or stock angles, or supplied loose for your own uses. See our other videos about the range of tapes we supply and how best to apply tape on angles and then install them. Please check awardplastics.co.nz for more details. Visit us at our Christchurch showroom or contact our sales team on 03 374 5500. We look forward to discussing the plastic angles you need, along with lead times and pricing for special orders. Thanks for watching.